Hey guys, what is up? Trent here from How To Haven, back again with another tutorial. And today I'm going to teach you how to disable the touchscreen on your computer. And I just had a computer where the touchscreen was freaking out and I couldn't move my mouse, etc. And I needed to disable it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you want to do first is hit the start button or the Windows key. The start button is just down here. And you want to type in device manager. And you're going to get a list of all the stuff. You don't have to worry about anything except human interface devices. I'm going to click on the arrow here to expand that, and you're going to go down and you're going to look for HID compliant touchscreen. Now, I don't have that computer anymore, and I don't have a touchscreen, so it doesn't show up here. But if you have a touchscreen, it will. And all you want to do is click on it. I'll use this for an example. You can right click it, you can hit disable device, uninstall device. I recommend uninstalling it if your touchscreen actually doesn't work. If you just need to disable it for a little bit, just hit disable. And that's really all you have to do. Now, one problem you might run into is if, again, your mouse doesn't work, and you can do this all without a mouse. So same thing, you just want to hit the Windows key, type in Device Manager, you can hit Enter to open it up, and then you can hit Tab. It'll select the very first thing on here, and you can just hit the down arrow key a few times until you get to human interface devices, and then you can hit the right arrow key and it'll come down again, the down arrow key until you get to touchscreen, and then you can just press delete, and then you can press enter to uninstall it. I'm not going to do that because I need this, but you get the point. And then your touchscreen will be uninstalled and you can freely use your computer without having to worry about it. If this video helped you guys, please leave a like or a comment or subscribe. Anything you can do to help the cause. And if you need more help or have an additional question, please just leave it in the comments and I will be happy to help you out. Peace.